Very good morning, students. How are you? I think you may all are fine, right? Students, in last class we have learnt soil formation, right? In this class, I am going to teach you soil erosion. Okay. Do you know what is soil erosion? Students, three different layers of soil are topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock. Topsoil, okay, all of you see here in this picture. Topsoil supports the growth of plants which provide food, shelter, and oxygen to other living things. Okay. Topsoil is also home to a large number of small living things. Thus, soil is a precious resource, right? The fact that is, it takes a very long time to form makes soil. It will take 500 to thousands of years, right? Okay. So, soil is even more valuable. However, the soil is exposed to the environment, right? So it is always at a risk of being carried away by natural forces such as wind or water. Okay. The wearing away of the topsoil is called soil erosion, and continuous erosion over a long period of time can change the shape of land also. Okay. So there are many factors that cause soil erosion. There are three major factors that cause soil erosion. There are running water, wind, and deforestation. Let us understand how they cause soil erosion. Okay. First, we are going to know soil erosion due to running water. Okay. Running water is the one of the main causes of soil erosion. When raindrops hit the ground, they loosen the particles in the topsoil. These loose soil particles are washed away by flowing rainwater, causing soil erosion. Okay, all of you see here in this picture. Okay, when raindrops, okay, during raining, raindrops hit the ground. Okay, they loosen the particles of a topsoil. Okay, these loose soil particles are washed away by flowing rainwater. Okay, and this causes soil erosion. Okay, in hilly areas, water flows with a greater force due to slopes. Okay, and so soil erosion becomes more severe in the hilly areas. Okay, and when a river overflows, it floods the joining areas and washed away the fertile topsoil. And river water picks up and moves mud, pebbles, and larger rocks as it flows downstream. These particles rub against the river bed and wear away more rock and soil. This kind of erosion helps to carve the Grand Canyon in southwestern United States. Okay, all of you see here in this picture. Okay, this is the Grand Canyon in the southwestern United States. Okay, students, next we are going to know soil erosion due to wind. Okay, wind erosion is more common in areas that have very less vegetations. Okay, wind blows away finer soil particles, including organic matter. This makes the soil less fertile. Wind also exposes the roots of plants, which could kill plants. Students, all of you see here, these are the sand dunes. Okay. And the constant action of wind changes the shape of rocks and sand dunes. Okay. Students, now we are going to know soil erosion due to deforestation. The wood from trees is used to make many things such as paper, cardboard, furniture, houses, and decorative items. Right? The need of wood in high quantities results in cutting down of trees. Forests are also cut down to clear spaces for building houses and setting up industries. So, the large scale cutting down trees is called deforestation. So, the roots of trees hold the soil together. So, deforestation makes soil to erosion by wind and water. Okay, all of you see here in this picture. Okay, this is picture of soil erosion due to deforestation. Students, now let's watch small video about soil erosion. Okay.
Soil erosion. Soil erosion takes place when loosened soil is carried away to farther places through the action of wind and water. This happens especially in places where there is no vegetation. Man is also responsible for soil erosion because of activities such as deforestation and overgrazing. Deforestation. Man has often cleared forests to make land available for farmlands, houses and residential areas, townships, roads, and so on. This large-scale clearing of forests is called deforestation. The roots of plants hold and bind the topsoil together. When a tree is cleared off, its roots dry up and the topsoil is loosened. This loose soil gets blown or washed away by wind and water, leading to soil erosion. Overgrazing. When farmers allow their cattle to graze for prolonged periods on a patch of land, the soil becomes loose. Overgrazing is one of the major causes of soil erosion.
Students, in this class we have learnt soil erosion. Okay, soil erosion and causes of soil erosion. If you have any doubt, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you, students.